Hey gamers, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can easily mirror your Android phone screen to your PC. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is click on the first link in the description box. After you click that link, it will lead you up to this website. So click on an ADB driver to install, and as you can see in the downloads, it's currently installing. And by this time, go into the second link and it will lead you up to this page. So what you need to do is scroll down until you see your operating system. So I'm just gonna scroll down, and mine is Windows, and just click on this zip file. It will be downloaded and it's gonna take some time. As you can see here, it's being downloaded, and I'm just gonna see you guys after I download both of these files. Okay, so as you can see here, I have downloaded both of these right over there. And the first step, what you have to do is go click on this, open this, and you need to provide it administration permission. As you can see here, I'm just gonna minimize this and just go through this setup. So I'm gonna meet you after I set this up. Okay, as you can see here, I have completely installed Samsung USB drivers or ADB drivers, and I just click finish. Okay, now what you need to do is you have this guy, SCRCPY, and what you need to do is copy or cut as you move this folder to a easy accessible place for this guy, which is our command prompt. So as you can see here, command prompt default is your local disk, users, and admin. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this SCRCPY. As you can see here, I have copied it. I have copied, and I'm just gonna move this into local disk, users, admin, and over here. So I'm just gonna paste this over here. As you can see here, it has been pasted. And now what I'm gonna do is right click this, and you have to extract SCRCPY into this folder. I'm just gonna do that. As you can see here, it has been extracted, and I'm gonna delete this. So delete, that's it. So for easy accessibility, as you can see here, there's SCRCPY. For easy accessibility, I'm gonna just rename this as just SCRCPY. There. Okay, now there is an ADB driver over here. Okay, so and the next tip is minimize this. Right click on this PC or my computer or whatever. Right click this and go to properties, and over here you can see advanced system settings. Click on this and you'll be with a new window. Make sure it's in advanced, and over here in the corner you will see environmental variables. Click on this and you will appear with another window, and this window has two categories as users variables for admin and system variables. Under system variables, click on new, and I'm just gonna give it as SCRCPY like that. And under variable value, what you need to do is go into the directory that you have moved SCRCPY, and click on the directory and copy this and paste this our variable value there, and now click OK. Now as you scroll down, you can see we have created a variable called name SCRCPY and value there, and click OK. And now what you need to do is take your Android phone and under developer options, go scroll down until you see USB debugging. And if you have not seen developer options, what you need to do is go into about phone, scroll down until you see software information, and click on build number a few times. And when you go back, it should say it might ask your pin or pattern or whatever you have set for your device. If you go back from about phone and if you scroll down, you will see a new option called developer options. Click on that and click on USB debugging. You have to make sure that USB debugging is on. Get a standard data USB cable. So I have a standard data USB cable over here. Now plug the USB into your computer. So I'm just gonna do, yeah, there we go. And on the other hand to your phone or your mobile device. So as you can see here, I have connected it, and now, yeah, on your phone you will see something called allow access to phone data. Just click on allow, and that's it. Okay, now what you need to do is open up your command prompt. You could get this by searching in your start or whatever, and go to your folder. So for me it's SCRCPY. As you can see, our device is ready. Minimize this and just do cd SCRCPY. As you can see here, we are in the folder. Now by doing just SCRCPY, and your phone will receive a pop-up message called allow USB debugging. Just click OK or always allow from this computer. And now if you're running this for the first time, you will get an error, and just run this again. So SCRCPY, yeah, and it's like processing. And as you can see here, I have the window. So this is your phone. So if I do Control F, I think, yeah, you get full screen. So as you can see here, it's real-time interface. You click apps, it's real-time. To go back, you have to do is Control B, and for home button it's Control H, and for multitasking it's Control S. As you can see here, no recently used apps. Now if I press Control B, I'll be back. So now if you aren't subscribed, just go subscribe. So now if you press Control F, you can watch YouTube or whatever, and that's that. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and bye, see you.